Hi guys. Yeah. Hi guys. Good evening, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me.
Yes, we
Anyone,
can.
guys? Can you please confirm?
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, like I think today also some new guys has joined. Anyone joined for the today's class, guys? Can you please raise your hands?
Yes, sir. Today I joined, sir.
Sampath. Okay, fine. Still anyone else, guys, who has joined for the today's class?
Yes,
Today
sir.
is first demo class, na sir.
It's not demo class. Just it was already started, but with a very few basic classes of Python we started. Main classes are not yet started.
Okay, so when it was started, sir?
It's very few topics has been happened. It's not number of classes. We started with only basics of Python only. So once the Python is completed, then we'll start with our main concepts of the data science related topics. Then after Python, it will start.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Okay, Shrikant, you also joined for the today's class. Okay, fine. So a couple of classes people are there. Because we started with the very basics of Python only, guys. Because Python is the language which we are going to use as here now. Just give me a second. Right. So Python is a language which we are going to be users here, guys. So that's why first we are learning with the Python. And after that, I will start with some introduction part will be there, or even no worries about that. That's introduction classes also. I'm going to share you the recorded videos. I will share you. Uh, if you have registered, once you register for the course, you will get the access to those particular whatever the classes that has been happened. If you already have the idea about Python, already if you have the idea about Python, guys, we can understand them. So I'll tell you what are the topics I covered, guys. Just if it is possible, go through those particular concepts, guys. So once again, just we have discussed about some introduction to Python. What are the basic types? What are the basic types in Python, guys? And apart from that, in the last class, we have started with something about the sequences in Python. So coming to sequences, guys, it is going to be like what is list, what is tuple, what is a set, what is a dictionary. These are the topics what we discussed, and guys. And in the last session, I just discussed about what is a conditional statements and what are control statements. I discussed it, guys. So normally we all of you know it, right? In every language, conditional control statements are common. So in conditional statement, I discussed about what is if and else if statement, what is going to be if and which is going to be else if statements we covered. Coming to control statements, I covered two statements, guys. One is a file, one is a for, another one is going to be while. That's it. These are some of the basic topics what I have been got covered in Python, guys. So we didn't started with anything about the data science, but in first classes, guys, I just given some introduction. I didn't started with anything, guys. Just like what we are going to learn in our data science. What is a roadmap to the data science? What are the things we have to learn? So what are the things we are going to learn in the course? So just it's like a roadmap only. I have discussed about that. Don't worry. If you want, we'll get the recorded videos for these introduction classes also. So just you can continue, guys. Couple of days you continue with the classes. After that, once you want to go ahead with the course, then you can register for the course by paying the required fee amount, and then we'll get the recorded videos. And no worries, in coming classes, once again, we'll have a demo sessions will be there. In that demo sessions, you can join and you can take those particular demo classes also. We can take in, guys.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
one question.
Yes. Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
I'm working professional in IT. So,
Okay.
could you tell me actually, it is the advance for data science class, na?
Like
Means
advanced means what topics you are expecting?
it is a data analytics inside this course.
Data? No. It's an
Analytics
not data analytics. It is completely data science.
means, sir, actually, I'm deployed some data analytics department, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
Fine.
few days
Okay,
ago.
understood that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood that. See, I'll tell you. In data science, obviously, you are saying that you are into the data analyst, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so as part of the data science course, we obviously require a skill called as a data analyst.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so mainly in the data analyst curriculum, what we are going to learn is mainly in Python, you have to learn NumPy, you have to learn the pandas, and we have to learn the data visualization matplotlib. So
Okay,
these
sir.
are the libraries what we have to require. So absolutely, data analyst is also part of your data science. So this course is mainly for data science. where you are going to learn the skill called as a data analyst.
Inside this course.
Inside this course. Along with that, you are going to learn about machine learning. We are going to learn deep learning. We are going to learn NLP. All these are the advanced option. That is the main topics of your data science.
So when I will enter deep entered in this course in data analytics, sir?
Data analytics after completion of the NumPy, after completion of the basic Python, we are going to start with NumPy. After that, we'll discuss pandas. After that, we'll discuss matplotlib. Then we'll start with the machine learning.
Means it will take more than 1 month. After that 1 month, I will go to.
No, not 1 month. It may be core Python topics are only just hardly 20 days of time.
20 days.
20 days. Already we covered these topics. I already covered these basic topics. Do you have any prior knowledge of Python or don't have any knowledge of Python?
Right now I'm watching Durga sir Python classes, sir.
Okay. What about these topics? Whatever I have discussed about list, tuple, sets, dictionaries,
Yes, sir.
if else.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These
yes,
are
sir.
all very core concepts only. Just we'll complete another 1 week of time. We'll complete of that. Then I'll start with the NumPy. NumPy will be of around 5 days. After that, pandas will start, which is that will take approximately 15-20 days. It will take. Matplotlib will take somewhere around 7 to 10 days. It will take it.
Okay, so total duration of this course, sir, data science, sir?
Total is going to be 5 months. It will take. Total course of the duration will be 5 months.
5 months means 5 months. Okay.
That is data science, machine learning, deep learning, all these things. Data analyst, if you want to learn only up to the data analyst means up to there, whatever NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, that is sufficient for your implementations.
Sir, one more question.
Yes,
if somebody goes to your live session class, if somebody goes to your recorded session, both are okay. One way recorded, one way communication. It is a two-way communication. So for as soon as possible, I will complete. So I have to complete. So what you suggest? I will go for your recorded session or this class?
That is depend on various factors. It is up to you basically. Both of them are going to be same topics only. The only thing which I suggest here is basically see, the thing is, if you have a sufficient time every day to go through those particular videos and all these things, then if it is your time is your criteria, then you can go for the recording sessions.
Okay.
If you say that I don't have, that means I can't go, because see, recording sessions will be how generally it will be. There is before buying the classes, generally our plans are different. After buying the classes, maybe the plans will changes.
Yes, sir.
So you don't find a time on a day. So maybe you may not be it may not be possible for 1 week of time. So generally
Yes,
that will comes into second preference, not the primary preference won't come. But if it is an online session, that will be the primary preference, because every day you have to join the class. Here also
Yes,
will
sir.
get a recording videos, but
Yes,
generally that will differ. If you join the class, if you attend a live session is different. Attending in taking a videos, that is going to be different case. So it is also depends on your dedication per a day, whether you can afford that time or not. So depending on that, I recommend them.
This is 9:30 is the perfect.
9:30.
Okay, 9:30 to 10:30.
Yeah,
10:30.
same
Okay,
time.
regular.
No change in the time.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay, guys. So guys, who has joined for the today's class and who has been joining the last week also? There are some guys are there who joined in the last week for a couple of days also. So just they started with conditional control statements only last week we started, because 2 days topic is there. So no worries. So even you can see a lot of people has joined. So we'll continue for a couple of days. We'll continue, guys. After that, if it is required, I'll take some backup sessions and all these things to cover up, to just clarify your doubts and all these things. I'll clarify, guys. So no worries. It is going to be this one. And even my backend team also has shared the recorded videos also, guys. You can see the link is there. I think demo classes are there, guys. So if you can just click on the link, guys, you can get the recording videos, guys. Just give me a second. Yeah. So these are going to be the classes, I think, which I have taken in the last week, guys. So if you want, we can just go through those particular classes, guys. Just give me a second. So this is my classes only, guys. Same thing. So the last 2 classes, whatever I have taken, guys, you can get the recording videos. So I have my team has shared with you. If you want, just click on the link, guys, and just you can go through the videos, guys. Okay. Fine. So I'll come back to that. If anyone joined for the today's class, guys, just I think last class who has been joined with the conditional and control statements. I told you to install Anaconda Python, guys. Guys, anyone who has joined in the last week, the 2-day sessions you have attended. So I told you to install Anaconda, guys. So who has installed that Anaconda? Just can you please raise your hands, guys, so that I can come to know how many of you have done the installation. Anyone? Just can let me know who has installed. I think very few people. Only 1 or 2 I can see. 2 people. Okay, fine. So please, all of you guys, please install the Anaconda. So install that Anaconda Python. So using the Anaconda Python, as I told you guys, you have to, which is going to be, you have to work with the Jupyter Notebook. Working with Jupyter Notebook is very easy, guys. You do not require any help from anybody. You can directly work with them. Yes,
Sir,
yes,
here I have one question. Like
yes, yes.
for Anaconda software, I have my corporate laptop. Okay, when I
Okay,
try to
okay.
install, it was completely blocked.
Okay, okay.
So, like, is there any reason as I mean,
Yes,
companies are getting blocked?
yes, absolutely. Because see, it is a security issue. They don't allow you to install the third-party softwares. Okay, because it's a laptop, and maybe it's a company's laptop. So generally, how do you install the softwares in your in your company generally?
So I mean, most of the softwares they used to allow, but especially this was like I'm able to install Python, Java, or any other softwares which are required for the development.
Okay,
But
okay.
not sure why this was blocked.
Because it may not be related to your development part. So what is your role actually? What is the technologies you use in your project basically?
It is like test automation. So I used to do development in mobile,
Okay. So
desktops,
maybe that is that
web.
support they will allow you, but you have to
Okay.
take the help of your IT team.
I mean, the thing is it going to create any harm? Like, is it
No, no,
going
no.
to take
No,
any
no.
data from the system
No, no,
through
no,
his?
no, no. It won't take anything. If there is any concern, they will let you know about that.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Ask your
Because I
IT
need to
team.
give the justification so that
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am.
It is allowed, right? Learning is allowed in your company, right?
Yes, yes.
Then you say that I'm upgrading myself to data science, or I'm upgrading with the Python. So I want this Anaconda software. Otherwise, you simply say that I'm learning this, so I want to practice it. So justify them. If there is
Okay,
any concerns are there, they says that IT team says that no, we can't allow that because it is not a trusted software, and you can. But most of the companies allow, because in my company, but in my company, generally in my company, what will happen here is, once we give a request to the IT team, generally our company will have an just like just like your mobile Play Store, how it will be there. We have a platform will be there. So just if you give the request on the platform, they will install the software in our computers. They will
okay,
install it. We don't install it. Once we have to raise a request, we have to raise a ticket for that. Directly, the IT team will install the software.
Sir, one more question.
Yes, yes.
When your data analytics class will start, it is not mentioned Durga sir portal, Durga website
No,
portal.
no. Data science is only part of your data science only. The data
Yes,
analyst
sir.
is
Yes,
going to
sir.
be part of your data analyst. It's not a
Yes, yes,
separate
yes.
course. It is not a
Yes.
separate course.
No. Actually, your recorded session or data analytics are there. But if I need data analytics in your live classes, so when it will start, it's night or evening or morning.
This class only. There is no separate classes will not be there. In this class only, we'll be having data analyst, which is a part of which is basically required for a data analyst. Whatever that is required is a part of this training program only.
Okay. Actually, recorded session are there. Your data analytics recorded session are
Maybe,
there.
as I said that, right? If data set record sections, they will give you only up to matplotlib only. They'll give you this. They will give you the recorded videos.
Yes, sir. 75,
That will
more than
be
75.
that will
Yes.
be only up to matplotlib only. They will give the recorded videos.
Okay, so means data science is beneficial for us.
It is next
Apart.
level. It is next level.
Okay.
If you want to learn only up to data analyst, so I require only data analyst up to that level only, means you learn only up to the matplotlib. After that, you can. But this course is completely for data science course. Okay. After data analyst, the machine learning will be there.
Okay. In this course.
Yes, in this course. It is a complete data science course.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Fine. Yes. I think Radhika, right? You are asking.
I have also one question.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, Rahul. Yeah. Who is this?
Yeah,
Harshit.
so
Yeah, Harshit.
I want to know one thing. What
Hmm.
are the library comes under data analytics? Which library we use generally in data analytics?
Pandas, Matplotlib.
Okay, these two
Pandas and
only.
Matplotlib. Only these two only. As part of a data analyst, only these two are sufficient. That means one library for data analysis, one
Mm-hmm.
library for data analysis. That means Pandas is popular. Generally nowadays they are using Pandas. Maybe Pandas is a very popular one. After that, reporting is required. For data visualization is a part of the data analysis. So that's why for data visualizations, we'll use Matplotlib. And apart from Matplotlib, you can also use Seaborn, you can use it. Or basically, Matplotlib and Seaborn is mostly used. Maybe some people may also use a bouquet library, or it may be a Plotly libraries. These are all going to be, but main skills are going to be data analysis and data visualization. These two skills we require basically.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Yes, I think who is that? Yeah, all of you guys. Any questions?
Yes,
Radhika,
sir.
I think Radhika previously has raised your doubt.
Hello, hello, sir. This is Satish.
Yes, Satish. Yes.
Sir, this is my first day today of the
Mm-hmm.
demo session.
Mm-hmm.
So just wanted to know, means, what are the prerequisite I need to have in order to understand this lecture? And second one means, what I can expect means after completing this whole training. So where I will find myself after completion of this course means,
Okay.
what
Okay.
are the
Okay.
opportunities will be for me?
Yes. Actually, okay, fine. I will discuss it. See, this data science is going to be one of the what we can say that is a data science is going to be a set of skill sets, a set of techniques we are going to use to work with our data analysis and all these things. So here there are different concepts are there like data analysis, data visualization, data cleaning, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. There is a lot of topics are there. To handle any kind of data, we are going to use a various techniques, and these techniques are categorized into machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and etc. What you are going to do that. To learn this complete course, basically we don't expect any prerequisites from your side. But if you have a little bit basics of any programming language, and basically you should be from the mathematical background. Mathematical background means you need not to be masters and you need not to do some kind of a degree in the maths, at least from the basic mathematical background with 10 plus 2 standard of maths. So that is sufficient. That is going to be prerequisite to learn this particular data science course. And after completion of this particular course, there are multiple skills will be there. As I'm saying that depending on your expertise and depending on your expertise and experience, there are multiple roles we can apply. Like you can become an data analyst, you can become, or a data visualization expert, we can become. Mainly, we are going to learn ML, which is going to be you can become an ML engineer, or we can implement, you can go as a deep learning engineering, you can go for, or there is a jobs like which is going to be NLP engineers. There are multiple core concepts are there. In which area you are expertise, according to that, you can apply for various different types of job roles, what we are going to learn. It's not like a programming language. If you learn Java, you can become only as a Java expert or a Java developer is your what is your possibility. But here it is not like a developer. There are different type of skill sets are there. So depending on your different type of expertise and skill set you are having, you can apply for different roles are there. Major roles are going to be, you can become a data analyst, you can become a data visualization expert, or you can become ML engineer, deep learning engineer, or NLP engineer. So these are the main roles that you can apply after completion of this course. Right?
Yes.
Sir, is it possible to any roadmap so that we will
I
easily
given already the roadmap I have given. I will try to do that. I will try to give that videos. Just give me a 1 day of time. So please attend the tomorrow's class also who has been joined for today's class. Please attend a couple of classes. You can attend free of cost because these are all demo sessions only. See, demo sessions means nothing but generally see everyone does not joins on the same day. So some people join starting from first day, some people join starting from the fourth day, some people join from the after 1 week they will join the classes. So that's why what we are doing here is first initially we are just started with, I didn't started with any main classes. I started with the basics of Python classes. I started. Once I complete the Python classes, Then again, I'm going to arrange them demo sessions. For 3 classes, I'm going to arrange 3 classes of demo sessions. I'm going to attend them. So again, some people will join. Again, some people will join again. In that classes, I'm going to again discuss about some basic introductions of data science and all these things. But what I will tell them here is these classes are already started. Already Python classes are already completed. So who are having the knowledge of Python, they can continue the classes. Maximum nowadays, Python has been become a common language, guys. Everybody started learning them. So here, that's why what I'm doing here is to make this particular all of to sync with the same level. I am started with the basics of Python. For a couple of classes or one more week, I'll complete of Python. Then I will arrange the demo sessions once again for a 3 days of classes. And some more people will join. Then again, I'll give all the roadmap and data science course. And only one thing I'll intimate is already Python is completed in this session. Who has already having the knowledge of Python, 80% of them will continue them, because almost all 80% of the people, they knows about the Python basic concepts. Everyone knows about that. Otherwise, I'll ask them, if you are really interested to take up the course, I'll give you the recorded videos of Python. So you can go through the recording videos and complete the basic classes and then continue this application. Learning Python is very easy, guys. So many people thinks that, so learning, we missed the Python classes. How can you learn? Very core Python concepts, guys. To learn this data science, very, very basic core Python classes is sufficient, guys. You need not to be an expert in Python. There are 8 topics are there, guys. Only just 8 topics. The first one is, what are the basic types? I'll write here, guys. Just observe carefully. Basic types. What are basic types, guys? What is integer? What is float? What is string? What is bool? Anybody who is having any basic knowledge of any programming language knows about this. Even if you do not have the idea also, learning this is not a complicated. Integers, we all of you know that. Decimals, we know that. Strings, we know that. Booleans, we know that. And apart from that, we have something called as in sequences. Coming to sequences, guys, already told you, right? List, tuple, sets, dictionaries. These are going to be some of the basic topics are required, guys. Then third topic is going to be conditional and control statements. So only up to here I have done, guys. I have discussed already up to these topics. Next topic is going to be, today I'm going to start with comprehensions. So who is having the little bit idea about conditional and control statements, and who is having the idea about sequences? Combining both of them, only comprehensions, guys. After comprehensions, I'm going to discuss about something called as what I'm going to discuss is, guys, something related to string class I'm going to discuss, guys. After that, I'm going to discuss something about what we are going to talk about is, sixth one is going to be functions, guys. And after the functions, then seventh topic is going to be nothing but we are having something what we are going to call it as iterators, and what we are going to be having is, which is going to be iterables concept, guys. So these are going to be the topics, guys. I think one topic is missing here. Okay, maybe third and fourth. Third is conditional, fourth is control statement. I think I have written conditional control, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 topics, guys. 7 to 8 topics will be there, guys. Not more than that. If you know this is sufficient to start learning your data science concepts. So I covered these 3 topics, guys. Basic types. Today, anyhow, we'll discuss about, already I started discussing about sequences, guys. Conditional and control statement. Today, I'm going to start with comprehensions concept, guys. After comprehensions, I'm going to discuss about something about a string class. After string class, I'll discuss about functions. And after functions, iterators and iterables topics I'm going to cover up. These 7 or 8 topics will be there, guys. If you learn this, that is sufficient. After my classes, you cannot become a Python expert, because even I also not an expert in Python, guys. If you ask me, don't expect that I was a Python expert. Very basic level Python only I know it, guys. Okay. 8th topic is going to be modules. That is one missing. That's it, guys. 8 topics will be there, guys. So these 8 topics will be there. If you learn them, guys, that is going to be sufficient. Beyond that, it is not required. So generators will be there in comprehensions topic. We are going to do that. And those, yes, absolutely, Ram. I think already we discussed about that. What is shallow copy? What is deep copy? I just discussed about that. Okay, if you want, I will discuss them, but for the timing, it is not required. Okay, fine. Right.
So
Okay.
AI is also part of the course, so
Yes, this complete, all these are part of your AI concepts only, because you didn't attend the basic demo sessions. AI, Inside the AI only, we are going to learn ML. Inside the ML, we are having a deep learning. And inside the deep learning, now we have something called as Gen AI is going to be there, guys. So whatever we are learning is all part of your AI concepts only. We are going to learning about that.
Yeah. Means
Right?
Gen AI classes will also be there.
Yes, that will be also there, part of your training program.
Okay.
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 Fine. Right. NLP is also part of them. See, that is it. See, different people are having a different opinion. NLP is a concept where, see, NLP is a concept where we are going to work with the text data. So how to work with the text data? So if you want to work with Gen AI, you have to learn NLP concept. Without NLP, we cannot learn the Gen AI because Gen AI is based on NLP concept only. It is going to be required. NLP is going to be a kind of a one core concept where from text data, how to make the machines to study the text data, how can you make the machines to learn the understand the textual data only is what we are going to do in NLP. NLP is also one concept, but NLP is not a part of your AI. Under AI, ML, under ML we have DL, under DL we have a Gen AI. This NLP is one topic which we are going to discuss as part of our machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. NLP is one technique what we are going to be using there. Okay. Fine. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Already it's an half an hour time we covered. Okay. So let us start with some basic concept, guys. So who has joined for the today's class, don't worry. These are all basic level concepts only. So main topics are not yet started because we want to add more students. So generally we'll conduct a regular demo sessions. They can join the session, attend 2 or 3 classes, guys. If you are satisfied with the sessions, how I am teaching and all these things, then you can pay your fees and you can complete your registration. And then we'll get the recorded videos of the previous classes. You need not to learn it, guys. No need to learn it. In our coming classes, anyhow, topics will be repeated. And main, as I told you, main topics are going to be starting from the NumPy library. The main topics will start, guys. From there, the main course curriculum will start, guys. Okay. Yes, we'll get the study materials also. Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay. So let us start with our discussion, guys. Today, I'm going to start with something what we are going to call it as a comprehensions topic, guys. So once again, a quick discussion, guys. Who has that means because some people has not attended the conditional control statements. We have to write some. I'll show you again. We are having a if statement, guys. We are having a if and else if statements are there. And apart from that, coming to the control statements, for statement and while statement, what we have in, guys. So what are comprehensions and why do you require a comprehension, guys? Have a look at this one. For example, let me tell you one small scenario, guys. So anyhow, just try to understand, guys. Don't worry about that. I just given some list here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but a list object. This is what we call it as a list object, guys. You can understand easily what is meaning of a list, guys. List is a collection of heterogeneous elements. That means there can be some numbers, strings, floats, okay, boolean, anything you can contain. It need not to be all of them need to be numbers only, guys. Now, what is my requirement here is, guys, I want to, just what I want to do, guys, I want to square all these elements, guys. That means whatever the elements in the X is there, I want to square them. Normally, what is the operator which we use it to square a number, guys, to a power of? It is going to be double star. For example, if A is equal to 10, simply if I said A is double star 2, guys, we'll get A to the power of 2. That is 10 to the power of 2 is going to be 100, guys. Normally, all of you know what is this symbol, guys. Single star represents that it is multiplication. A multiplied by 2, it is 10 into 2, 20, guys. But A to the power of 2, it is going to be nothing but 10 to the power of 2 is 100, guys. Normally, it is a numeric data type. You can do it, guys. But generally, what will happen here is, guys, X double star 2, you are going to get an error, guys. It is an error, guys. So why it is an error? Why? Because this list is not capable to perform all these operations. So initially when I started with the list, guys, everybody thinks that list may be a powerful object. List is a simple object, guys, but it is not a powerful object. It does not allow any mathematical operations. It does not allow any mathematical operation, guys. Generally, most of the people thinks that so list can contain a set of elements. We can do all the mathematical operations at a time. Not allowed, guys. We can't do that. So what we have to do now, guys, if you want to square the elements and I want to put it a new list. So what you have to do, guys, It is nothing but first we have to, I'll show you the practically, guys. Don't worry. I have to create one empty list. We have to create, guys. How to create an empty list? Y equal to, just put a square bracket. Now what you have to do, guys, one by one element we have to get it, and we have to square them, and we have to append it to y, guys. So how to do this, guys? We'll write like this, guys. For I in x, this is how do you write a first statement in Python, guys. So if you don't have the idea about Python, generally in other programming languages, you write it now, guys. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Here we don't write the style, guys. For I in x, what is your x value, guys? X is a list of values. For I in x, that means for each value of x represented by I. Now first time I represents 1. Second time I represents 2. Third time I represent 3. Fourth time I represent 4. What we have to do? I square, guys. I square, I can do that because I is a value now. And what you want to do this, I want to append this value to y, guys. So y dot, it is going to be, there is an append method is there, guys. So append, so already I covered this. Even if you have the idea, well and good. If you don't have the idea, guys, simple, guys. Y dot append of I square. So what will happen, guys? First time 1 square will be appended here now. 1 will come. Next time 4 will come. Next time 9 will come. Next time 16 will come. Next time 25 will come. That means we have to write a loop and we have to do this kind of an operation, guys. Just a minute, I'll show you, guys. So you have to install Anaconda Python, guys. Whoever wants to work with Python, once again, I'll show you. The guys who has joined for the today's class, guys. So what you do is, guys, go to anaconda.com, guys. This is anaconda.com. Okay, go to anaconda.com, guys. There is a free download will be there. Just click on the free download and just click on skip registration, guys. Don't need to registration anything. Directly straightforward download, guys. Windows or Mac or Linux, whatever you are using. So we have to download the Windows, guys, and just click on this particular link, guys. It will download the software, which will be around 1 GB software, guys, 913 MB, almost all 1 GB software. Installation is very easy, guys. Just launch the installation. Next option will come, guys. You can easily do the installation, guys. Nothing complications are there. There is nothing issues will come, guys. Once it is installed, you can see the all apps. There you can see the Anaconda 3, guys. There you can find something called as Jupyter Notebook, guys. Even I also installed only recently only, guys. You can see Anaconda 3 new. Recently only we downloaded and installed the software, guys. Open the Jupyter Notebook. Whenever I click on this Jupyter Notebook, guys, one small editor will, that small command prompt will open, guys. Don't close this command prompt, guys. You should not close this command prompt, guys. This command prompt, leave it as it is. You can understand it, guys. So see there, it is opening, the Jupyter server is getting opening. You can see, guys, just some small messages will come. Automatically it will start, guys. No need to start anything at all. Just it will automatically, it will start up, guys. Started. And you will get the home page like this, guys. You will get a home page like this, guys. See there, this is going to be home page. That's it, guys. See, already I am already having the files, guys. See, for every class, whatever the last class I discussed it, guys. So on the last class only, guys, 1/10/2024, 9:30 PM, conditional statement. Again, on what class we have taken, guys? I think third we didn't take in the class. It is going to be 4th session, guys. On 4th, what I have taken. And on the 5th also, we have taken the class, guys. 4th and 5th, I think I have taken the classes. So whatever the topics I have covered, the concepts are going to be here, guys. 4th, I think. 5th also, I taken the class, right? 5th. Okay, 5th and 6th, there is no classes, guys. Saturday and Sunday, there is no classes are there. So on the 4th, I have taken the control statements. On the 3rd, I have taken the conditional statement, guys. So that's it, guys. These are going to be control and conditional statements. Now what I will do, guys, I'll open a new notebook, guys. Okay, once again, I'll discuss, guys. Whenever I share you the files, how to open them, I'll tell you once again, guys. Okay, so say this. This is what we are going to call it as an Jupyter Notebook. Simple, guys. Anybody can work. No help is required. Anybody can just work on this particular application, guys. Simply, there is going to be one kind of an cell will be there here, guys. Just we have to start writing the code, guys. See there? Same code I'm writing here, guys. 1, 2, 3, which is going to be 4 and 5, guys. Hope all of you can see it, guys. This is going to be X. Just a minute. It's a case sensitive, guys. So write it in capital case or lowercase, whatever you want. Normally, everybody expect that list is a simple object, guys, but it is not a powerful object. If you try to say x square, that means I'm going to square the elements of the x. You will get an error. See there, unsupported operand type, the double star or power in between a list and integer. X is a list, guys. 2 is an integer. In between these two, I cannot perform any this kind of an operation, guys. So what we have to do now? Generally, what we have to do, guys, one by one elements we have to get it, square them, and we have to put it into another variable, guys. I'm creating an empty list. If we simply put a square brackets, guys, it is an empty list. See there what I'm writing in, guys, for I in the x variable. That means get one by one value from the x. Okay. And there is going to be automatically, guys, you can get a tab space there. Can you see there? There is a tab space is coming. It is what we call it as indent. In other languages, we'll put curly braces, right? Here we don't write any curly braces. Just put a tab space and write it down, guys. No need to put it, guys. See, once you put a colon and say enter, automatically it is coming in the next line with a tab space. What I'm going to do, guys, I square. I don't want to print it. I want to put them into y, guys. How to put them into y, guys? Y is a list. I want to append to them. It is going to be I square. Now come outside the loop, guys. With remove the indent. Print the value of y, guys. See there? If you want, I will print the value of y here. And after that also, I'll print the y value here. You can see the difference, guys. Initially, it is empty. After the loop, it is going to contain square of each and every number. It will contain like this, guys. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It is squaring the elements, guys. So the further you are writing a first statement and we are writing some loop and all these things we are writing. What are comprehensions, guys? Comprehensions are going to be nothing but, what are comprehensions, guys? Comprehensions are nothing but writing a simple which is going to be the control statement. That means simple first statements only you can use it, guys. That means writing a simple first statements in a simple way. In a one-line statement, we can do it, guys. I'll show you how to write that application. We cannot write complex first statements. Simple first statements only we can write it, guys. Mainly to say that whenever you want to create one object from another object, or whenever you want to write a simple first statement, we are going to write this particular, what we can call it as this particular comprehensions, guys. See how to write it, guys. For same syntax, guys. For variable in what we can say that in the iterable object, these are all what we call it as iterables, guys. No need to put a colon, no need to write the indent, no need to write the code, guys. For variable in iterable, whatever the iterable you write, what you want to return expression, and then you have to put it in square brackets, guys. Directly what it is going to do, guys, for each and every value in this particular iterable, it will perform this expression and returns the output. Being I have kept a square bracket, it is going to return say list, guys. Directly it is going to return a list. No need to even take that y equal to empty list and all these things, not required, guys. I'll tell you how to write in, guys. Y is equal to, directly, guys, y is equal to, for I in x. For I in x, what you want to return, I square over, guys, single line statement. Single line statement, guys. Previously, we have written for I in x. You declared, first of all, a y empty list. Then you said y dot append of I square, not required, guys. It's a single line statement, guys. Y equal to, for I in x, for each value of I, each value in the value of in the x variable, calculate what is going to be I square. Being it is returning a list, this is what we call it as a list comprehension. It is a list comprehension. So x is the list, guys. X is a list. Here I'm creating a y as a new list, guys. So I'm creating a list from another list by performing some operation. Not only a list, guys, I can also write anything, guys. I square. For example, if I put it in curly braces like this, guys. If we put it in curly braces, what it is going to return now? If I put a curly braces, guys, it is what we are going to call it as set object, guys. This is nothing but what we call it as set object. X is a list only, guys. But what we are doing from the list, we are creating a set object, guys. Being it is returning a set, we are going to call it as a set comprehension, what we are going to call it as. Very simple, guys. It is what we are going to call it as a set comprehension, what we are going to call it as, guys. What is the difference between list and a set, guys? Very simple difference. List can contain duplicate values. Set cannot contain duplicate values, guys. That means if the numbers, if a list is like this, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, let us say this, guys. If your X is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 two times, the list comprehension returns 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 25. It will return multiple times, guys. But set object is not like that. It will return 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. That too, one more difference, guys. There is no guarantee that the data will be in the same order because set is an unordered list, guys. That means whatever the order you give, it does not follow that order. It is an unordered list of unique elements only, guys. Values will be unique, but there is no particular order will not be there. Same thing, we can also set the, who has missed these classes, guys? Easy, guys. Just if we put a square brackets, we'll get a list. If we put a curly braces, we'll get a set. Set object does not contain duplicate values and does not follow the order. List can contain duplicate values and follows the same order, guys. We can also return a dictionary object, guys. What is dictionary, guys? Key and a value pair. I colon I square. That means your output will be something like this, guys. For I in the X, if you put the curly braces, guys, it is a key and this is a value, guys. This is what we call it as a dictionary comprehension. What is dictionary comprehension is nothing but, guys, your Y is a dictionary here now. How the dictionary will be there, guys? Output will be like this, guys. 1, 1, it is going to be 1, guys. 1 is a value, square. 2 is a value, I am returning I and I square, guys. 2, 4. 3, it is going to be 9. It is going to be 4. It is going to be something like an 16. 5, which is going to be nothing but it is 25. Like this, we are going to get the value. Here also, guys, keys should not be duplicated. Key should not be duplicated. Values can be duplicated, but keys cannot be duplicated. So we don't get the other 5. We don't get 5, 15 one more time. Only one time only we'll get the value, guys. These need to be always unique values only. So what is the value and what is the square? What is the value and what is the square? Anyhow, easy to understand. I have taken a sequence of numbers, but if we take some random numbers we have taken, which value is for what value, you will get confused with this, guys. For example, I'll show you the same example once again. Have a look into that. I'll take some X is equal to, let us take the X here only, guys. I take X is equal to some numbers. Take random numbers only, guys. 5, 24, 36. Take some numbers, guys. 22, 16, whatever maybe 35, guys. And something like a 55, something like 82. Any random numbers you take, guys. 58, 36 I'll take in, guys. And something like an 23 and something like a 41. Let us say 57. Something like any numbers you taken, guys. Let us say 31. Some numbers I have taken. Now see, guys. Simple. I've squared the numbers. But suddenly if I ask you what is 1296, whose square it is going to be? Okay, 1296 we can understand, guys, with our basic mathematical knowledge. So 1296, it is coming as a 6, guys. If it is ending number is 6, no doubt it is going to be 36 square, guys, right? Is that right? Correct? It's a 36 square, guys. It is 23 square, it is 41 square, 57 square, 31 square. Okay, 1225, all of you know that, guys. I think 1225 is going to be square root of, which is going to be how much, guys? It is going to be 35 square because 16 square is 256. But little bit confusion, guys. Okay, now same example, I'm repeating it like this, guys. Have a look at that. No need to write again all these things, guys. Direct straightforward, guys. See there how I'm writing the value? Y is equal to nothing but, I'll write like this, guys. Yes, anyone, guys? Any question? Okay, let's continue, guys. For I in the X value, no need to write that many lines of code, guys. Python is a very simple language, easy to understand and easy to learn, easy to use. Put the value of Y, guys. Direct straightforward. So instead of taking an extra variable Y, writing a first statement, writing Y dot append, print the value of Y. Directly Y equal to direct statement, guys. You write print Y or Y, anything is the fine case, guys. It will print the value of Y, guys. This is what we call it as list comprehensions, guys. For example, if I want to get a set as an object, if you want, guys, you can ask Python, tell me what is the type of the Y. You can use the function, guys. What is the type of the Y? It will tell you, guys. Y is nothing but it is a list object. Same copy and paste it, guys. Copy and paste it one more time. And simply what you say is, guys, put it in curly braces. So whenever you put it in curly braces, what happens here is, it is going to become a set object, guys. Sorry. It is going to become a set object. Set object is nothing different is there, guys. See there clearly, it is a set object. It is a list object. What is set object, guys? The data is not maintained in the same order as it is, guys. 25 square, where is the 25, sorry, where is the 5 square here now? 5 square is going to be 25, but where is the 25, guys? Somewhere here now. Okay, next value is going to be 24. 24 square is 576. Here 576 is there. Order is not maintained. And one more difference also, guys. For example, if I give 5 2 times, if I give 5 2 times, here and here, 2 times you are getting 25. It is a list comprehension. Again, you will get 25, 25 for 2 times. But here, 25 will come only for 1 time only, guys. Because set object does not accept any duplicate values, guys. That is the reason why you can see the value 25 has came only 1 time. Check it out, guys. 25 does not repeat 1 more time. So what is the difference between them, guys? List, same sequence, guys. Whatever the sequence you given, same sequence you are getting. Even duplicate values are also accepted. But coming to the set object, duplicate values are not accepted, guys. And one more thing is, it does not follow the same order whatever I have given. What is dictionary object, guys? Dictionary object is nothing but same will be there, but key and a value pair will be there, guys. What is meaning of key and a value pair? See this? Very clearly we can see the result here, guys. Y equal to, which is going to be I colon, which is going to be I square. What happened? I colon I square. Okay, sorry. It is going to be I, just a minute, for I in the X. X is a list. It is correct only. Oh, sorry. You have to put it in curly braces, guys. Sorry. Because set is also, dictionary is also enclosed within curly braces only, guys. See, what is an advantage for this, guys? Advantage is nothing but it is telling the key and it is telling the value. 5 square, 25. Previously, we have a confusion, guys. 529, 23 square, 961, 31 square, 3249. It is a 57 square. But order is maintained, guys. It is maintained the same order. Whatever the order you have given, same order, guys. 5, 24, which is going to be 36, same order. 22, 35, every order is same. Only thing is, after 31 square, you are not getting 5 square, guys, because key should not be duplicated, guys. That is the reason why you are not getting a repeated key. We don't get it, guys. Same 5 does not comes once again. Same 5 cannot be repeated, guys. Values can be repeated. That means 25 can be repeated, guys, but 5 cannot be repeated here. 576 can be repeated, but 24 cannot be repeated. So keys must be unique, values can be duplicated, guys. So these are nothing but a simple form of writing the first statement where you want to create one object from another object. X is a list, guys. Using the list, we are creating a dictionary here now. Using the list, we created one which is going to be set here now. Using that particular list, we have created something called as what we can call it as list by performing some operation like this, guys. A simple way of writing the first statement. These are very simple statement, guys, but very useful concepts in our coming classes. Most of the examples, we are going to use this comprehensions concept very frequently. So just work on them, guys. It's not yet completed. So tomorrow also we'll discuss about this comprehensions topic in the tomorrow session. We'll discuss about this, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. So just for today, we'll stop it here. So anyhow, somebody is having who has joined for the today's class. I think still you have some questions are there. So if I want, I can stay for another 10 minutes of time and I can take up your questions, guys. If anyone who's joined in this today's class or in the last 2 classes you have joined in the last week, if we have any questions, guys, I can just answer the questions and we can end up the session, guys. Yes, anyone, guys? Any more questions if you have?
Can you give your number also, sir? Can we?
Yes, sure. I'll give you, guys. So this is my number. It's going to be a number, guys. But I recommend to text me first of all. After that, I can. If you really want to talk with me, so I can tell you that time because I will be busy in classes. So just text me first of all. After that, we are going to use it, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yes. Coming to you're asking somebody is asking a question about, sir, what about the tuples? We don't have a tuple comprehensions, guys. But if you put it here, what is going to happen series, guys? This is going to become a generator object, guys. If you put the parenthesis, it is not going to become a tuple iterator. This is what we call it as generators. Actually, somebody has asked me, sir, what about generators? Generators are going to be these topics only, guys. So whenever I put it in parentheses, guys, then it is going to become a generator object. But accessing a generator object is a different way. That's why currently I'm avoiding this particular discussion, guys. But if you put it in parentheses, it won't becomes a tuple iterator. List iterators are there, dictionary iterators are there, set iterators are there, but we don't have any tuple iterators. In place of tuple iterators, we have a generators topic is there. Okay, fine. Yes, anyone, guys, if we have any questions regarding the course or anything, just attend 2 or 3 classes, guys. Then you can conclude it. Then you can understand it, guys. First day itself, you cannot understand what I'm discussing about. Just concentrate on what I'm discussing, guys. These are basics of Python I'm discussing. So remaining classes, I will share you the recording videos of the previous classes, guys. If you really require some demos, you can go through them and you can just decide it, guys, whether to join the course, whether to go ahead or not. Yes. Anyone, guys, if you have any questions in the beginning, so many people has asked a lot of questions.
So recordings will be shared on daily basis, sir?
On the daily basis. The current session only, not some other recording videos. The today's class recording will be available in the next day morning. You will get it.
Okay. Okay.
But because this is online class, no, so maybe it is due to somebody misses the classes, or
Yeah.
obviously there are some technical issues will be there, internet connectivity or power failure, or it may be sometimes you may not hear the sound. You see the video, but you may not hear the sound. Technical
Yeah.
issues will be there. That's why we'll give the recording video every day. Day-to-day recording video will be given to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Just give me a second, guys. I will share this file also. Who has joined for today's class, you don't worry about that. I'll tell you how to access the file, but download the file, guys. I will also share the previous 2 classes also. I'll share it. So today is going to be, the topic is going to be like this, guys. 9:30 p.m. I'll say comprehensions file. Okay, I'll share this file in the chat window. Whoever want to access, everyone, guys, please download them, and I'll also upload it to the drive also. Later you can get it from the drive, but for the timing, just download it here, guys. Just a minute. Just give me a second. I'll upload the file. So the last 2 classes file also, I will upload them, guys. Users, my name Vamsi Krishna. So this is, I think not, this is the file, guys. This is not your file, I think. Maybe I just renamed it for temporarily, but not the correct name. So where is the file, guys? Last class file will be this one, guys. It is control statements. It is a conditional statement, and today's class is comprehensions topic. Right. I shared the 3 files, guys. You can download. Everyone can download the 3 files. And I've shown you how to upload the files, guys. Directly, you can't open the file. What you have to do, guys, you have to open the Jupyter notebook and you have to download the file. Wherever the file is downloaded now, guys, you have to upload them and we have to select the file. The file will appear there. Automatically, we can open it, guys. Okay. So we have to upload and we have to open it, guys. Directly, you cannot open this. This file is not your file, I think. Maybe this is an introduction class file, I think so, guys. It is not your file, guys. This is not your class file, actually. I think I wrongly renamed it. It is not your class file. I think your class file only, but not conditional statement. It is just like in the first day introduction, guys. So it is introduction to Jupyter Notebook. First day when I started with the introduction to, which is going to be introduction to Jupyter Notebook. So actually this code is not related to your batch. Actually, I added some extra. This is, guys, on the day, whatever I discussed on the introduction class, this is the difference. Okay. So this file is not required for you guys because it is only just an introduction file only. So I shared the 3 files, and if anybody wants, they can download the files, guys. Okay. Anyone, guys, any more questions if you have?
Hi sir,
Yeah,
this
hi,
is
hi.
Durga. So actually we just want some kind of introduction related to like we are talking about many things, right? This deep learning, machine learning, generative learning, and on top of that AI will be there above
Okay.
all these layers. So we just want some introduction
Yeah,
class.
sure. I'll do
What are
that.
the frameworks we are going to cover as part of your training like that?
Yes, yes. See, absolutely. As I said that, right? There are two options are there. One is wait for a few days. Again, I will arrange a demo sessions once. Before starting with the data science classes, I'm going to arrange this one. This will happen. It's not more than 1 week of time, because once I complete these basics of Python, I will start with, before going ahead with the data science, I will arrange a demo session. There I will discuss it. Then you can get the clarity about that. Or else I will give you the recorded videos only for the demo sessions. 4 or 5 sessions will be there. You can access that 4 or 5 sessions and you can get the understanding about the basic introduction classes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I'll give you the recording videos tomorrow because I have to get that videos from the online. Right now I cannot give it because all videos will be available. I'll check what are the demo classes are there, and those demo recording videos, I will share it in the tomorrow's class. I'll share them surely. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay. Anyone, guys? Any more questions? Okay, then, guys. So that's it for the today's class, guys. Thanks for today, guys. Please attend tomorrow also, guys. Maybe another couple of classes you can attend. And then if you are really satisfied, then you can go ahead and we can complete your registration. Then we'll start with our main classes. I'll start from after completion of the Python classes, guys.
So I have one question.
Yes, yes, sure. Yeah.
After these demo lectures are finished, then the regular lectures timing will be 9:30 to 10:30, or we will be shifted to morning batch 11 o'clock also, the data science courses, and I think you are only reaching.
No. This class is fixed at 9:30.
Okay.
Okay. There is some other batches will be there at a different timings.
Okay.
So are you looking for any morning batch timing? Or are you looking for any morning batch?
If any morning batch upcoming is there for data science course, I'm looking for that actually.
It will be there, but you have to wait for some time.
Okay, near about, I mean, 1 month or what? I mean, can you
No,
give
it
the
may
tentative
be
time?
tentative time, means it will take a little bit time, because right now morning 2 sessions, currently we are busy. Already data science is already started. It takes more time. Currently Power BI session is going on. That is also a recent batch only. So that also will take at least minimum 2 months of time. It will take it.
Okay.
Okay.
So this data science, every 6 months you are conducting classes in this Durga classes?
Not every 6 months, every 1 month it will start.
Okay,
so see,
every
recently morning
month.
7 a.m. we started.
Okay.
Okay, before that 11 a.m. we have started. So regularly the batches will be there, but there will be a time period of at least minimum 1.5 month. The time period will be there between one and other batches.
Okay, got it.
Got it? Because that is a little bit lengthy course, right? So it will take some time. Power BI classes, almost all. I'll take Power BI and data science, 2 classes. Power BI classes starts regularly. Every 1 month they will start it. But data science classes means 1.5 month. Sometimes it may take 2 months also. It will take it sometimes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thanks for today, guys. Thanks for today. If you have any further questions, guys, I already shared my number, guys. If you have any further doubts or any clarification, feel free to reach me on my WhatsApp number, guys. Okay. So thanks all of you for today, guys. We'll meet up tomorrow, same time, same link, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.